Aurora Serverless version 2 fully manages the auto-scaling configuration for your Amazon Aurora. What about version 1? I don't remember anymore. I used it when it first came out. It did not work that great, and it's no surprise that it's gone. So just understand that it's just version 2. There's no version 1 anymore. Capacity is adjusted automatically based on the application demand. You're charged only for the resources that your DB cluster consumes. Suitable for the most demanding, highly variable workload, Aurora Serverless version 2 does not scale to 0 and must maintain at least 0.5 ACUs. I think the previous one, version 1, would turn off, so it technically did scale to 1, but it just wasn't that great. It's really hard to make serverless relational databases. And I put serverless in quotations because if it doesn't scale to 0, it's not really serverless, it's just fully managed, and you're paying kind of on demand in a sense, like only for, capacity. I don't know. It's like the wording for DynamoDB, how they describe on demand and provisioned, okay? Only certain Aurora instances classes are available to use with Aurora Serverless version 2. For Aurora Serverless version 2, we have Aurora Capacity Units, ACUs. ACUs is the unit of measurement for Aurora Serverless version 2, which uses to determine the cost versus capacity. Fargate kind of has something similar. One ACU is about 2 gigabits of memory, CPU and network. Well, actually, Aurora lets you, Fargate lets you select the memory and CPU separate, where this is a little bit different. Capacity ranges from 0.5 ACUs to 128 ACUs. As of December 31st, 2024, Amazon Aurora will no longer support serverless version 1. So even if it is in the docs, just ignore it because it doesn't matter anymore. When you configure your Aurora cluster for serverless version 2, you set a minimum maximum ACU capacity. When you create a writer instance, you need to specify the DB classes being db.serverless because it's not going to work like the other one. It's going to be based on ACUs. So there you go.